Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up idle Python. First, navigate to the official Python website, python.org, to download the installer. It's crucial to select the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. During the installation process, remember to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step is vital for easily running Python from your command line later on. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts. After downloading, execute the installer file, preferably as an administrator to avoid permission issues. When presented with installation options, I recommend choosing Customize Installation. This allows you to confirm that idle, the integrated development environment, is selected among the features to be installed. Typically, idle is included by default, but it's good practice to double-check. Proceed through the remaining steps, accepting the default settings unless you have specific reasons to change them. The installation should complete in a few minutes. Once Python and idle are installed, you can launch idle from your operating system's applications or Start menu. Upon opening, you'll see the Python shell. Before you start coding, consider customizing your environment. Go to the Options menu, then Configure Idle to adjust settings like font size, font type, and color theme to your preference. To test it out, type print, hello, world, into the shell and press enter. This confirms your setup is working correctly. To further enhance your idle experience, familiarize yourself with its built-in debugger, which is incredibly useful for finding and fixing errors in your code. Always remember to save your Python scripts with a py extension. This ensures they are recognized as Python files and can be easily executed. Saving regularly prevents loss of your hard work. Also, for those looking to simplify their home maintenance, check out the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on coding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.